Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking a little bit more about REITs and how you can use these free tools to find out more information first before you buy one. Now REITs is a very important part of your portfolio because it gives you a very simple source of passive income, and passive income actually helps you get to retirement earlier. Now, while you may not like analyzing too much into stocks and shares, knowing these simple tools gives you a quick backdrop of what the REIT you are interested in is deriving in terms of its value. So without further ado, I'll dive on to the video right away. The first tool that I'll talk about today is the SGX stock screener. So over here, what you'll see is you can actually keyword search REIT and all the REITs in Singapore listed stock exchange actually appears. However, do note that REITs such as Capital Mall Trust, because they don't have a REIT inside their name, do not appear in this list. So using this SGX stock screener, you can actually see the REIT, what size of the REIT is it, which is under the market capitalization. And you can also find out a little bit of details on its dividends yield. And this stock screener is actually very current. The second screener that I'd like to suggest to you is propertyinvestsg.com. I'll leave the links below so that you can quickly access that tool. Using this tool, you'll realize that you can, in a one glance, see all the REITs listed in Singapore Stock Exchange, and you can see their dividend payout frequency. This is an important information for you because just in case you want to build a dividend ladder, one that comes in March, one that comes in June, this potential cash inflow information is captured in this stock screener. Do note that information on this portal is updated on a weekly basis, which means the prices may be not as current as the SGX stock screener mentioned previously. The third free tool that I'd like to suggest to you is actually Dividend Stop SG. Now, if you've used the first two screening tools that I've suggested to you, you'd find out very quickly a REIT's industry, where it's invested into, as well as its dividend yield currently. Now, with this Dividends.sg, you'll be able to see in a glance what its dividend payouts used to be from a historical point of view. Naturally, you should be looking for REITs that have been paying an increasing amount of dividends because that shows that its business has been doing well. Now, because you stayed to the end of the video, I have a simple additional tip for you. You know, I mentioned previously on other videos the benefits of investing into a REIT ETF. And one of these REIT ETF is actually the Lion Philippe S-REIT ETF. If you go to their website, you'll realize they have a quarterly commentary report. And in this report, there's actually some good market insights to which industry is performing well. And that is a very good, useful tool for you to understand quickly what is the industry of the REIT that you should be chasing after. So I hope these informations have been useful to you, and these screeners give you a quick overview to learn which REIT is a good investment option for yourself. As usual, if you have a question, do leave them in the comment sections below. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd like to invite you to do so because I'll be leaving a new video every week to update on financial information. My name is Josh. Thank you for watching for the video. I'll see you in the future one. Take care and goodbye.